Want to learn how to download and sign up for a Twitter app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. The initial process of creating an account on your Twitter is having the Twitter app itself. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store, just like me, and then tap on the Search for Apps and Games option on the top. Enter here Twitter and search for this particular app. You can see that there's an open option on the top right corner since I have already installed and downloaded it simultaneously. If you haven't done it yet, you will get an install option. Try tapping on install and install this app. And when you're done doing it, you can tap on Twitter and open it. You're onto the very first section of our Twitter app. Here you can see that you can continue with Google or create account. I want to create account rather than continue with Google, so I'm going to tap on create account. You can choose of your own. First of all, I need to enter my name, so I'm going to choose a suitable name for myself. After entering your name, you can choose either you want to use phone number or email address to continue creating an account. Tap on it below. If you want to use phone number, you can directly enter your phone number with the country code. But if you want to use your email instead, you can tap on use email instead on the bottom left corner below. I want to create an account with my phone number, so I'm going to use my phone number. You can choose of your own. When you're done keeping your phone number, tap on date of birth below. Choose your birth month, birth date, and then your birth year. When you're done choosing it, tap on next on the right corner above. You can see that you can customize the experience by tracking where you see Twitter content across the wave. Tap on next on the bottom right corner. Tap on sign up, so you can see they will text us with the verification code on our phone number. Tap on OK to get the verification code. Now you need to enter your verification code. So wait for the verification code, and when you just enter, try entering your verification code here. So I have just received my verification code and I'm going to enter it. You can do of your own. When you're done keeping your verification code, tap on next option on the bottom right corner. Now you can create a password. Make sure it's 8 characters or more. Tap on password and create one. When you're done creating a password, tap on next on the bottom right corner. Here you can pick a profile picture now. Tap on upload. You can take a photo at the moment or choose existing photo from your gallery. I want to choose one of the existing photo from the gallery, so I'm going to choose one. You can do of your own. Just like this, tap on apply on the top right corner. When you're done, you need to allow Twitter to access photos, media, and files on your device. Tap on allow. Tap on next on the bottom right corner. You can pick a header. People who visit your profile will see it and show you a style. Tap on upload. You can take a photo at the moment or choose existing photo. So I'm just selecting one of the picture that's suitable for me, and then tap on apply on the top right corner. When you're done, tap on next in the bottom right corner to get ahead. You can choose one of the bio for yourself. When you're done, tap on next on the bottom right corner. Now you can choose a username that should be unique. You can tap on show more to get more and choose of your own. So when you've finished choosing a suitable username for yourself, tap on next on the bottom right corner. You can find accounts in the same location as you, so you can enter your location, like where do you live. I'm going to enter mine. You can do of your own. Tap on next on the bottom right corner. You can see that your profile is updated and tap on see profile below. So that's it, Alex Agil. That's my profile and I have successfully created an account for myself. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.